Hey guys, it's J Diamond and I am back with another video. First off, I just gotta tell y'all, I feel so weird because my makeup is not done. I'm all natural for today's video, and I'm definitely one of those girls that just feels like I need to be like full beat, full face in order to make content, but I need to stop that. That literally stops today. Sometimes I just don't feel like getting up and doing my makeup to make content, and today's just one of those days. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna be natural. That's what it's gonna be. So I'm embracing the natural beauty today. If you're one of those girls that feels like you need to have a full face of makeup to do content, you don't. And I'm telling you right now, you don't need it, girl. I don't always have makeup on in like all my videos. If I'm doing like a get ready with me or something, or like a makeup tutorial, obviously I need to like be natural first. But I mean, other than that, I really don't like to make content without doing my makeup. And it's just so annoying. Like, it's literally so annoying. So yeah, I just have to say that for my girls that are like me, it's okay to be natural sometimes. You don't always need makeup to make your content. But anyways guys, I'm so excited for today's video. In this video, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be trying on press-on nails by Jofay Fashion. Y'all, look at these nails. I literally picked out the cutest nails from their store. Jofay Fashion is an Amazon store and they have a bunch of cute press-on nails. Press-on nails are honestly like the new thing, I feel like, because they're just so easy to just pop on and they look so cute. In this video today, I'm going to be trying on these nails. They're definitely more simplistic and natural, but they're super cute. I do have some exciting news for you guys. I am doing a little small giveaway. I'm going to be giving away one of these nails, and it is super easy to enter this giveaway, guys. All you have to do is leave a like on this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and leave a comment down below letting me know which pair of nails you would like. So the first option are these pink nails. These are super cute. They have a little fire design. I just love all the little different designs on each nail. This one fell to the bottom, but I'll have a picture of the nails on the screen for you guys. The next pair is rainbow with some like little diamond studs on it. These are also super cute, y'all. And then the last pair might be my favorite. It's literally so cute, so simplistic, but also just not basic. I love the little sparkle design and the little pearl. They just give so cute. So if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you follow all those instructions and let me know down below which pair you would like. I'm also going to have their store link down in my description below. So if you want to purchase any of their other nails from their store, click the link in my description and go check them out. But without further ado, guys, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the nails. This is how it looks. And in the back, they have the glue. So in the back of the box, it actually has the directions of how to apply the nails. They also come with like the sticky things if you don't want to use the glue for the nails, which I love, because if you just want to pop on some press-on nails for like a quick picture or something, you can use these as an alternative for the glue. And I feel like people don't use these a lot, so I'm actually going to use these for today's video. And in this little pack with the glue, it also comes with a file and another nail tool. I'm sorry, y'all. My dog is literally scratching on the door crying. Come here, baby. You want to say hi? Say hi, YouTube. Say hi. Y'all, he is such a big baby. You say hi to the viewers? I also still have to do a video with him. Let me know if you guys want to see a video with my puppy. I might do like a Q&A or something if you guys want to know anything as a first-time dog mom. He's being a little brat right now. Let me go take care of my baby real quick and then I'll be back, y'all. Okay, I'm back, y'all. My dog is literally so clingy. Like, he always needs to be right by my side or he'll catch a heart attack. But anyways, let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this little package right here. Oh wait, these are the little wipes. So it says something about like, they're literally kidding. So on the back of the box, it says you have to wipe your nails with a clean alcohol pad. And so these are the pads that it comes with. But I'm going to start off taking this little nail tool. And I'm going to use the flat end side to kind of push my cuticles. Is that what it's called? Cuticles back? I'm not a nail tech, y'all. Also, my nails look super crazy because I just took my acrylics off. So this is coming in handy right now. And then I'm going to use this cute little filer to just file down my nails. So now my nails look a little bit better than they did before. I've went ahead and wiped them down with the alcohol pads. And now we're actually going to get started. So I'm going to peel this off. And then I'm just gonna start sizing my nails with the little stickies. So I'm gonna start with my thumb first. This one is the one I picked for my thumb. I don't know if you can really see it. I'm trying to put it on my hair so you can, there you go. But yeah, this is the one that I picked for my thumb. The biggest one was a bit too big, so I think this one should fit perfectly. And I'm just going to take it like that and place it on my nail and then kind of smoothen it out like that. Then I'm just gonna take the top wrap off and just very gently peel it off. I moved you guys down a little bit so it's kind of easier to see, but I have the little sticky on now and it's definitely sticky. I just have to take this last little bit of wrap off, and now I can go ahead and put on the press-on nail. So I always go for the biggest nail in the pack for my thumbs, and this one honestly looks like it'll be a good fit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick that on. And then it says to press on the nail for 10 seconds. I told her stab my lips. I told her stop telling everything she's saying and told her meet me at the Ritz. This is how the nail looks so far. Guys, I'm literally already obsessed with how that looks. It looks so natural and I love this length and shape. I'm now gonna go ahead and just repeat the same process for the rest of the nails. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Brucey. She said you work on my show, you my coochie. I had to sing to this bitch like look Lucy. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bitch got a bedwood on her nightstand, she must be fucking with Ghana. I fuck with snacks and we gonna eat rats and I came with some fucking piranhas. Got a bitch Scotty, I got in my world, need somebody grow me a tree. Came out the hood in my truck, got a hood, now pick up the car with no keys. Beat it. And this is how the nails turned out, guys. Oh my gosh, these are literally so cute. I went ahead and filed them just to make them match my nails a little bit more and make them look more natural. But guys, I'm literally so obsessed with these nails. I love this design, honestly. They're super simple and super cute. I'm literally so obsessed. I'm so shocked that they look this good. Literally so obsessed. Like, look how freaking cute these nails look. I did not expect them to come out this nicely. I'm super obsessed. Make sure to click the link in my description box and check out Jofay Fashion. Don't forget to enter in the giveaway, guys. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below letting me know which pair you guys won. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys as always, and I'll see you in my next video.